So you have your AirPods, but you take a look inside, it's nothing but yuck. Now my AirPods is not too bad, but if you look at it closely, look in between. It can get a little dirty, and especially in each earbud or AirPod. My AirPods are not too dirty, but inside of it, that hinders the sound. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly clean up your AirPods, or maybe you have the AirPods, the ear, not air, and you look at it closely, all that yuck is hindering the sound, it's blocking the sound and impacts the sound quality. So I'm gonna throw this link in the description. You gotta buy this. This is a, what do you call this, mountain putty. If you buy one of these mountain putties, this is something that you should have all over the place, because you can hang up like paper, wood, you can do anything you want, and it's cheap. You know, it's like about $3, less than $5. We're gonna just take one out. We're not gonna have a lot, we just need a little piece, off. It's kind of like gum, and you just take it, you just clean your AirPods with it. So now what you can do is you can just fill it in the spot like so, and it's very sticky. It's very similar to gum. This is something that the teachers be using in elementary school to hang like papers up, and it's just gonna clean up all the yuck right there. Very easy. No need to take no Q-tips or those little cotton swabs, whatever they like to call it. This is so much easier. Let's go in between creases. Alright guys, so all clean. Now you guys can see big difference. Right, guys, so here's a close look at my AirPods. This is the dirty, to show you guys a before right now, before I show you guys the after. Let me rest them down here so my camera can pick them up. And look, even down there looks kind of... Alright, so let's clean them up. And you just put it on there. You can get the entire AirPod too if you want. Now what you can do very gently, don't put all your force. There's a little, whatchamacallit here, just very gently move it down so we can get it to the center, so it's easier for the mountain putty. I'm sorry that my camera keep on focusing in and out. I'm so close and I'm moving. It's almost brand new. There are some in the side here, but like I said, you're not gonna get it perfect. You can if you want to, but we'll be here all day. We can move on to the next AirPod. So a quick little before and after. So this is the after and this is the before. You guys can see. Alright guys, so I cleaned it a lot better, 10 times better. This thing is like it's new. So I'm gonna clean this ear, and yeah, enjoy. So guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. That's how you properly clean up your AirPods the correct way. As you guys can see, these things are new, basically brand new. This stuff right here is so handy. Like if you have anything, like for example, I have my play button here. I decided to put some on my play button here. You can put some on the back, you know, on the corners, and just put it on the wall. So now what you gotta do, you just stick it. And then now look, stuff is very handy. I think you should really have this everywhere around the house. And yeah, so that's it. AirPods are clean, the case is clean, everything is clean. And it's gonna also improve the sound quality too, most importantly.